I wish I could remember literally anything. Welcome to the Ultimate Lockpickers Championship, the ULC. Do you have what it takes to compete? Well, then sign up so we can find out. Okay? So the ULC was created by... and it's just a new activity that you can do if you're into LockSport and lockpicking, where small groups compete online with each other to pick certain types of locks. Once they get enough people, they're going to have an Ultimate Lockpickers Championship at the end of the year. I'm going to get into all the details, show you a sneak peek of the Discord server, and I'll provide all the links you need right here in the description. Before we go any further, please don't forget to hit that like button. I know that you guys try your best, but sometimes you can get forgetful, and some of you even get a little bit spiteful. Yeah, I'm looking at you, Elijah. You must have the following locks to compete in Season 1. These locks can all be purchased from Amazon for $30 if you don't already have them, and the links can be found in the rules section of the Ultimate Lockpickers Championship. And also, I think there might be those 3 locks linked in my Amazon affiliates links right in the description of this video too. They plan to hold fight nights once a month in 2026, starting February through November, so that'll be 10 fight nights altogether. There will be a championship match in December of 2026, and that exact date will be determined later on. Now, to compete, you must sign up on the Discord channel by the cutoff date for each fight night, and those exact dates are to be determined, but they're normally going to be around 1 week before the actual competition. Okay, now if they have more applicants for the fight night than they do have spots, they're going to do a drawing for that right on YouTube live the day after the cutoff date. There's going to be a limit of 12 competitors per monthly fight night. They're going to draw 14 names, 12 of them to compete, and then 2 as backups in case somebody can't show up or has to cancel or something. Since this is a new group and it was created by some of my absolutely favorite lock pickers, of course I'm going to join in and get in on one of these fight nights sometime. But first, I want to let you guys, get comfortable thinking that like you're all that and everything like that, and then I'm going to come in and I'm just going to mop the floor with every single one of you. Okay? That's right, I said it. And what? I'm just kidding. Or am I? The winner of each fight night will get an entry into the year-end championship match in December. Now, this will create 10 competitors for the ultimate championship match that will be held in December of 2026, okay? There are a couple more rules that you need to take a look at in the rules section. Now, again, just click on the link in the description of this video. It'll take you to the Discord server, and the Discord server will take you to the rules page. Read through the rules, then click back into the server, and you'll be allowed to check out the entire server. Now, they're also doing like a role-playing game over there too. They're doing all kind of cool stuff, so I really urge you to go check it out. Huge shout out to all these guys who created this. This seems like it's going to be a lot of fun. It gets you into a little bit more of a community, gives you something to do, lets you compete a little bit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't gotten enough of the wonderful Lady Locks content, I know I wouldn't if I was you. You can click on this next video right here, and I will see you guys on the next one.